What is a total lunar eclipse? A total lunar eclipse takes place when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon and its shadow covers the Moon. Eclipse watchers can see the Moon turn red when the eclipse reaches totality. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the Sun, Earth, and Moon are in line. The astronomical term for this type of alignment is syzygy. It comes from the Greek word for being paired together. The Moon itself has no light, but it shines because its surface reflects the light of the Sun. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon, blocking direct sunlight from reaching the Moon. The Sun casts the shadow of the Earth on the surface of the Moon. Earth's shadow can be divided into three parts: umbra, the darker, central part; penumbra, the outer part; and umbra, the partly shaded area beyond the umbra. During a total lunar eclipse, Earth's umbra completely covers the Moon. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the Sun, Earth and Moon are aligned. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when the three bodies align so that the Moon is partially obscured by the Earth's umbra. On the other hand, if only the outer part of the Earth's shadow covers the Moon, a penumbral lunar eclipse occurs. Earth's shadow extends into space far beyond the orbit of the Moon. This means that the Earth's umbra plays no part in the lunar eclipse. Total lunar eclipses happen only when it is full moon, or at the same time, the Moon is at or very near a lunar node, so the Sun, the Moon, and the Earth are aligned in a straight or nearly straight line. A total lunar eclipse requires a full moon, so why don't we see a lunar eclipse every month? This is because the plane of the Moon's orbit around the Earth is tilted at an angle of 5 degrees to the plane of the Earth's orbit around the Sun, also known as the ecliptic. The points where two orbital planes meet are called lunar nodes. Lunar eclipses occur when a full moon happens near a lunar node. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth prevents sunlight from reaching the Moon's surface directly, but the Moon is still visible to the naked eye. This is because the Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight and indirectly illuminates the Moon's surface. When sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it is refracted towards the Earth's surface where some of it is scattered away, while the rest are longer wavelengths like orange and red colors pass through the atmosphere. This light is refracted again toward the fully eclipsed surface of the Moon, illuminating it with a reddish-orange glow. For this reason, total lunar eclipses are sometimes colloquially called blood moons. A total lunar eclipse usually happens within a few hours. Totality can range anywhere from a few seconds to about 100 minutes. The July 26, 1953 total lunar eclipse had one of the longest periods of totality in the 20th century, 100 minutes and 43 seconds. There are 7 stages of a total lunar eclipse. 1. Penumbral eclipse begins. 2. Partial eclipse begins. 3. Total eclipse begins. 4. Maximum eclipse. 5. Total eclipse ends. 6. Partial eclipse ends. 7. Penumbral eclipse ends. Nearly everyone on the night side of the Earth can see the total lunar eclipse. Because of this, most people are more likely to see a total lunar eclipse than a total solar eclipse, although both occur at similar intervals. On average, a total lunar eclipse is visible to him every 2.5 years from any location.